What's good? What's good? My hand feeling a bit weird again. Sometimes this happens. My hand just like goes rogue. I'm off ya. I'm off ya. What's good everybody, it's Nadia and today I am doing another review video for you guys on something really exciting. I know my last video was on a Huda Beauty product, but this is just as exciting. This be heavy. The Huda, oh I just hit myself in the head. The Huda Beauty Demi mattes that are about to launch July 29th. My body is ready. It gon' be lit, it gon' be lit. First things first, give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hit that bell so you get notifications when I upload. So I was sent this PR kit by Huda Beauty this week, so a massive thank you to Huda Beauty. And we are going to be going through full swatches today, wearability, how they feel. So we have this lovely Demi matte packaging, and then inside, I actually freaked out the first time I saw this packaging. I'm like, whoa. This is cool. There's like literally a different shoot for every single color. A for effort, Huda. A for effort. Why is it A for effort if effort starts with E? Or is that like A, like a mark, like A+? And when you open it up, it is extremely long, you guys. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to fit this in one shot at any given time, but you get the idea. So inside we have all of the 15 new Demi matte shades. So because this is a PR kit, we do have all of them displayed outside of the packaging like this. However, she still has included one of the shades that is in its packaging. And the packaging is the same in terms of the layout and size. However, this is a clear version of the packaging. The original packaging for the mattes looks like this, so you guys can see the difference. I'm really digging this whole clear look. It looks super dope. So for each shade, she's done a really cool shoot that kind of represents that shade. I'll show you guys now so that you guys can have an actual look. I'm also living for some of these shade names, guys. I'm just gonna read you out like some of my faves. We have Boy Collector. Oh, what you gonna do with that? We have Game Changer. Okay, change the game. Provocateur. We have Boss. It's B-A-W-S-E, like boss, boss. We have Shiro, because heroes don't always have to be oh hey, okay. So inside we do have a little bit of information about the Demi mattes that I'm going to read for you. So it says, inspired by Huda's love for self-expression through makeup, Huda Beauty Demi Matte is a bold cream lipstick showcasing a full spectrum of ultra feminine colors to complement every one of your alter egos. I have a lot of those. Saturated in pigment, the rich and creamy texture glides on with an intense color release from the first swipe. The lacquer-like sheen highlights the curves of your lips, while a hint of mint in the formula naturally enhances the fullness of your pout. Oh my god, I should have read this earlier. I never read that part about the mint. I was like, why does it have like this fresh, tingly feeling on my lips? Now I know why. Enriched with Maxi Lip for extreme comfort, Demi Matte sets to a satin finish that lasts for hours without dehydrating the lips. Faithful to her versatile use, Huda likes to blot her lips after application to mute the shine and achieve an even more matte, almost stainy finish. Now, in case you guys were wondering what the hell Maxi Lip is, I literally have no idea. So I've just gone ahead and Googled it, and it says that Maxi Lip is a natural peptide stabilized by being coupled to a palmitoyl chain. I don't even know how to say that word. It stimulates collagen and glycosaminoglycan synthesis. Basically, I feel like it's just kind of some lip plumping agent. Let's go with that. Do you guys want to just get to the swatching part before we do the talk about, you know, how the product wears type stuff? Yeah, me too. We all know that's what you're here for.
Always come when I need you. You know I'll be there for you.
In case you were wondering, I do currently have on the shade Day Slayer, which I feel like is a really just nice nude. So that I don't miss anything today, I'm going to be using a list to go through everything I want to talk about today, and I actually got that list off my friend Jacob's page. So hey Jacob, what's up? If you guys don't know him, his name is And That's Jacob on Insta. So thank you, Jacob. You helped a sister out, okay? So in terms of the formula, I find it to be very, very pigmented, and one swipe with just a dip is enough to cover your whole lips, which is what it claims to do. In terms of the way it feels on the lips, there is that tingling feeling when you first put it on, which I love. Like, I just feel like it's doing something to my face, and it's not too overpowering, which is the main thing. So here is a close-up of the applicator. It does have a little dip in it, as you can see, so that does catch quite a lot of product when you are dipping it into the tube. I think as well it is a good size for precision, so that you don't necessarily have to use a lip liner to actually put this on. So I was reading on the website, and it did say that they were best applied with a lip liner. I have actually done that before, and today I didn't use lip liners, and I found that they still apply really nicely without lip liners. In terms of how it wears, I actually went to an event the other night and there was a lot of food. I was wearing Boy Collector, which is the red shade. Now, if any shade is gonna bleed, it's gonna be a red. Like, I always find that with anything that's sort of like a bit glossy, when it's red, I do tend to get a lot of bleeding. I did not get any bleeding on the lips from this shade. My hair got caught in my face a couple of times, and I did get a little bit of smudging on my face. So yeah, it can smudge onto the face. It doesn't fully dry down. It does, as you can see, transfer. So when it dries, it kind of feels like it half sets down, and then you have that like glossy layer over the top. So I was eating and drinking all night, and I only touched up once, which I think is pretty good. And if I didn't touch up, my lips would have still looked really nice. I just like that really like fresh look on my lips. But the lipstick wasn't coming off patchy at all. It was just fading a little bit in the middle where I had stuffed my face. Yeah, if you've got really dry lips, or you're not really into that feeling of fully dried down lips, and you kind of like to rub your lips together throughout the night and have like a little bit more movement, then I would definitely recommend the Demi mattes over like a matte lipstick. In terms of the fragrance, I feel like it's kind of a minty kind of fragrance. You can really smell that mint. I don't know. It's nice. What I also like about the finish is that it doesn't feel super sticky. Like, when you put your lips together, as you can see, my lips are not sticking and like peeling apart, which is really annoying when you get those lipsticks that just feel like you've got glue on your lips. In terms of the shade selection, I feel like the shade selection is pretty good, especially in the nudes department. I do feel like there is a nude in here for everyone. The only thing I would have liked to see would have been like a really bright orange color. I do feel like everything in this range is very wearable. So in terms of the price, they are going to be $20 US, which is the same as the matte liquid lips from Huda Beauty. You do get 3.6 mils. Now I'm gonna compare to a couple of other famous lipstick brands. So in the Jeffree Star one, you get 5.6 mils, quite a lot. In the Kylie one, you get 3 mils, and in the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, you get 3.2 mils. So I'd say 3.6 mil for $20 is somewhere in the middle of a cost for a liquid lipstick. It's not super expensive, but it's definitely not cheap. So the big question of the hour: would I actually buy this with my own money? Yes. I really don't have anything negative to say about the product itself. I would have liked to have seen that orange shade in the lipstick though. And I think that you guys will be really happy with it as well if you are looking for that Demi matte finish. Let me know what you guys think of these shades, the finish, and if you're gonna get these in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Share this video if you can, it always helps, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye! I'm not wearing a matte lipstick. Should have thought about that.